Hi, it's Maso. I know I've been gone for a while, and I just want to say thank you for still being here. I really miss talking to you. I want to apologize for not posting lately and for not giving you an update. I am truly thankful to every one of you for choosing to stay, wait, and understand. I'm so grateful to have this community, and please know that you are deeply appreciated. And for those who are just passing by or new to my channel, thank you for being here. You hungry? I know you're hungry now. Hmm? I love you, sweetheart. I love you, Una. I love you very much. And let me introduce myself again. My name is Maso. I live, work, and travel occasionally.
Let's go now.
And I have a certified emotional support cat named
I
Duna.
can see it.
Her name is a Tagalog word that means first or one. I chose it because it's simple and meaningful. She is a domestic Siamese mix that I adopted in Visalia, California on my birthday, December 12, 2023. That was when I was living there with my ex-husband. I have been living in a van for 4 years now, and this is my second build. If you're interested in van life, van builds, or this kind of lifestyle, feel free to check out my previous videos. You might find something that inspires you. And if you'd like to support me on this journey, please consider subscribing. It would truly mean a lot to me. If you have any questions or if you're curious about this lifestyle, feel free to leave a comment and I'd love to hear from you. So, I'm finally back again because I want to give my channel a chance to grow. I truly believe that one day this channel can help me financially, and not just that, but I can also use it for a greater purpose. I've always wanted to help people, but there were times when I couldn't even help myself get out of poverty. Still, I remain positive that one day God will use me and this channel to help me those who truly need it. I continue to pray and ask for guidance, and I'm patiently waiting for that time to come. When it comes to my personal life and work, I usually don't want to discuss it here on my channel. But sometimes these things are connected, and that's why I feel the need to share a little bit. I won't go into full details, but I do want to give you an update. You all know that I've been working very hard lately, and there's a reason for that. I've been asking for as many work days as I can because I want to help my sister Tess.
I think that's enough.
Some of you might remember her from my trip to Kansas City in Missouri. A few months ago, she was diagnosed with stage 1 breast cancer. She lives alone, just like me. We are the only two from our family here in the US. And in our culture, we always try to be there for each other during times like this. Even though she knows that I also need help, I still insist on helping her in any way I can. Because when I went through my 2 failed marriages, she was the one who supported me most, especially financially. She would call me every day just to check on me. Even when we were far apart, and now that she's going through this, I can't imagine how difficult and scary it must be. Not just dealing with cancer, but also worrying about how to pay for treatments, tests, rent, bills, and medication. She is also low income, just like me. And I keep thinking, if she needs chemotherapy or radiation and can't work, how will she manage everything? That's why I've been pushing myself to work more. My workplace knows my situation and why I've been asking for extra days, but something happened and I had to file a complaint with HR. So now I'm back to applying anywhere I can. But something inside me keeps telling me to come back here, to start posting again. That is why I'm here. The reason why I'm using a straw for my coffee, it's because I am doing a bleach for my teeth. I had this bad toothache. It turned out that not only in one crown, but instead four. So imagine 4 crowns. It cost me so much money, but I am grateful because they gave me a discount, and now my money went to the crowns that I needed. Yeah, that's um, one part of my life that I am dealing with, and another health issue that I still have to clarify. Now my coffee is not that hot anymore, but it's fine. Let me check first if I needed a banana to add on my oatmeal, because I cannot overload myself with too much food. Okay, you cannot add banana on my rolled oats, so it will spike my sugar. So I'm just gonna have this. I'm gonna avoid eating too much of butter, white bread. Instead, replace it with whole wheat or sourdough, and I'll still do some butter, but just lightly spread it on my bread. But I'm not gonna go crazy anymore because I am really suffering for this condition that I don't like it and it scares me. So I need to avoid what I need to avoid. When I confirm this thing, that this is the one causing of what I'm feeling, this is another kind of illness that I am going through right now, and I hope they're wrong about it. And I just want to be clear, I'm not sharing all of this to ask for sympathy or financial help. That's not my intention. The only support I'm asking from you is to help my channel grow by subscribing, watching my videos, and maybe considering joining my channel membership. That's all I need right now, nothing more. And I truly hope you understand where I'm coming from.